All right, so you guys did it. You put in your email, which is the first step. And check this out. This is pretty crazy. Roughly only 20 to 30% of people in the world are willing to put in their email. Something as simple as putting in your email. 20 to 30% of people are willing to do that to chase their dreams. That just baffles me. It's crazy, right? So, congratulations on taking the first step. What's going to happen next? You're going to get an email, and in that email, I am going to include several different links for you to go to check out. The first link that I'm going to include is the dream car offer. I want you guys to know that this is serious, that I'm not making this up. It's not a joke. So that'll be the first link. You click on it and go over and check it out and legitimize the fact that if you work for this company and do what is required, they will literally give you $500 to $1,000 per month to put towards paying for your dream car. Okay, the second link that I'm going to include is I'm going to make a real quick short video that explains to you guys the process of how you do this, exactly what it is that you need to know so that you can also make money online. It's super simple, it's super fun, takes a little bit of time to learn it, but then once you have it down, you can knock out different things every single day and start making money right away. It's really cool. I absolutely love it. I think you guys are gonna love it too. It's really exciting to be able to sit at home on your laptop and make money. Sit anywhere in the world on your laptop and make money. So that's what a lot of people are doing. They're traveling around the world, living out their dreams, making money from their laptop. It's crazy. Okay, let's see, the third link I'm going to include is the link for your free 14-day trial to this software. This software is no joke. You can literally use it to do almost anything in regards to making money online. I've paid thousands of dollars for different programs, different classes. Some famous ones would be like the Tai Lopez programs. I've taken all those, and guess what? Once you get to the point where you're going to start your own company and start making money, you need this software, even in the Tai Lopez program. So I'm cutting out all of the extra expenses for classes and blah, 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 right? And I'm just saying, here it is. Here's what you do. Step, 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 step. Here's the software you need. Bam. Go and make money. That way you guys don't have to pay the 5-10 extra grand for all of these different courses and classes and blah, 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 whatever. Fourth link I'm going to include for you guys is a link to a free webinar where Russell Brunson, the creator of this software, digs in and explains all of the different aspects of it for you guys so that you can really start learning what it is, how to use it, learn it a little bit deeper than just the core concept that I'm going to be providing in the initial video. And then further down in the email, I'll include a couple more links to things like a free copy of Russell Brunson's book. I think I have like the Tai Lopez affiliate program links. I can include those for you guys as well if you want to go check those out. I have Grant Cardone program links. You guys can check those out as well. Anyways, there's this whole crazy world out there online of all of these different things that you can do to make money. The super simple core concept I'm going to show you guys is what I do, and to do it, all you need is this software, this free link that I'm giving you guys. It's all you need. You go get the free trial, download the software, watch the short video of me showing you guys what it is to do, and then I would go and watch the webinar from Russell Brunson so you can get a deeper understanding, get into it, click around, learn as much as you guys possibly can. That's really the key to this. As much as you are willing to put into it, that's as much as you will get out of it. So the more time you're willing to spend learning, taking action, and doing, the more money you will make. Good news is we know already that you guys are in the top 20 to 30% of people out there. You're already willing to take that step and start doing. So ball's already rolling. It's already in your court. It's just up to you to take the next couple simple steps. Good news is I'm not asking for any money at all with this offer. It's completely free. You guys, I'm just here to help. I'm so blown away and so amazed at what this has done for my life that I really wanted to start sharing it with other people out there. So feel free, if you guys have any questions whatsoever at all, you want to reach out, ask questions, talk to me, talk to Mackenzie. Feel free to send us a direct message on Instagram or Facebook at The Matt and Mac Show. You can message us on Twitter at The Matt and Mac Show. And you can check out all the other little videos like this one that I've made on our YouTube channel as well at The Matt and Mac Show. If you do go do that, do me a favor and give us a like and a follow. That helps me be able to get myself out there and help other people just like you. Other than that, that is it for today. I'm really excited for you guys. I really hope that you'll take the next step, get the software, check it out, start learning, start making money so that you can get on the path to getting that dream life and that dream car as well. Cheers.